Alright, what's going on, guys? So here we are at the very end of the year, and I made a lot of videos, and this is not one of my dumbest videos, but I've never done this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. But I'm going to try to shotgun a vanilla Coke for some reason. I don't know how to shotgun properly, so... Okay, that should work. Or maybe... Oh, shit! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Ow, Okay, well, it's not what I was expecting. But what the fuck else could you expect from shotgunning something? I don't... Oh, wait. Nope. I did stab myself with something. I don't know what I stabbed myself with. I probably cut myself on the can, like a dumbass. Because it went all the way through. Well... maybe I have to get. I have to go get another one. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm back with another Coke. Fuck, this is stupid. Oh shit. There's a lot of liquid in there. Also, I got it on the ceiling. It went everywhere. I see why people don't got shotgun shit indoors. Oh, my face is gonna look great after this. Oh my god, I made a fucking mess. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see that, but it's on the ceiling. Alright, I hope you guys liked the video. So go ahead and subscribe if you did, so you can see more dumb shit like that. In the process, cut myself, so I will see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, and Happy New Year if I don't upload by then.